Viewers and subscribers, welcome back to another upload. Please like the video, subscribe if you have not subscribed. Today we're going to talk about Rajahwild and the great performance that he put on at Taboo nightclub. Let's check out the performance. People, to be honest, it's a great performance by Rajahwild, people. You get me? I like the performance and I like what the young youth them a do. I like what the young artists them a do. You see me? The young artists them a make their name in a dance hall. You see me, people? So if you don't like the entertainment when we just shown a while ago, just leave a like on the video. Comment if you don't like how Rajahwild perform, because I see that he got talent. You see me? No joke. In young, yes, him have far for going in a dancehall business, but him have talent. You can't take that from him. You see me? Then say once a man have talent, I feel him gift that. You see me? I'm like the performance, whole Taboo club a rock with Rajahwild, people. You get me? Big vibes, brother. I love the vibe, you see me? And so them for keep do the right thing, the artists them, you see me? And just keep safe, you see me? Until the next one, viewers and subscribers, please like, share, comment if you have not. Subscribe also.